got a hole now. You get the plug.
Plugged. We've had a puncture at about 8,000 feet. Not ideal. So while they're fixing that puncture, true to our name, I've been using some bodge tape to fix my own issue, which was my GoPro charger. So it's snapped inside. So with a little bit of bodge tape, well I say a little bit, quite a lot of bodge tape, I've managed to tape it all back together. So it turns out you can use bodge tape to fix electrics as well, which is pretty good.
2.9 bar PC.
So we're ducked down behind a motorbike, so sorry for the shot, because it's pretty windy. So the puncture repair hasn't worked.
No, Whitey's tyre is goosed.
Yeah, we've tried to repair it twice and nothing's happened.
It's not taking the plugs, so the plan we're going to go for is to set camp here tonight. We've got a fairly decent spot. We've got food with us, water with us, so we can chill out here for the evening, get Whitey's tyre off, patch it overnight or in the morning, and then stick it back on and see what happens. It's been a long day.
If you were to pick a campsite, you wouldn't pick this one.
No, you wouldn't.
We are on top of a mountain that is barren, it's windy, there's nothing. We're in the middle of nowhere.
You cannot see a thing in civilization anywhere.
To be fair, it's the only flat bit we've seen that you could camp on, to be honest, so we've got lucky in that respect. But
been a good day.
It's been
You look
a good
amazing.
day. So our plan was to camp somewhere near a river and I was going to have a wash tonight, but that is not happening. We are.
Here comes Jonah.
Here we go.
Fucking nothing is going right on this trip. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Today I've had three things. First one,
brake guards.
My caliper covers.
Yep.
So they're from Touratech. Hit a big bump today, literally comedy style. Ting off down the road, put them back on, and then less than 10 minutes later stopped and they'd both gone. I've no idea where they'd gone.
Number two.
Rubbish. And then literally at the top of the hill here, I looked down when she take a great photo. I was like, oh, my oil bottle's gone. So
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no.
Nippy Norman.
Yeah, Nippy Norman oil bottles disappeared, haven't
It's
they?
oil bottle.
Yeah, 750 ml oil that was in it from BMW at about, what is it, 75 quid a litre or something stupid.
There's some local that's found the most expensive oil in the world.
He's drinking
This is
it.
a good day.
And the
And then
tyre.
we've got a puncher.
Going
No,
easy.
However, if it had been a really easy day, it'd be a rubbish video, wouldn't it?
We've ridden through rivers,
Yeah.
up rocky crevasses, down rocky crevasses, across,
And now we're
and we've all crashed at least once.
and now we're camping on a rocky crevasse.
We even put bodge tape on the tyre.
Yeah, we tried to
We
bodge tape the
tried bodge
tyre.
tape.
Didn't work. Not on the outside anyway.
Right, let's pitch
I'm
camp.
in the
boys.
glass case of emotion. So, I bought a little surprise with me.
I'm fucking so intrigued.
Yeah. Well, it's not an amazing surprise. but
I'm
it's a
still
good
so
surprise.
intrigued.
And I thought, oh, I'm not going to tell them about it. And when we've had a bit of an emotional day, I'll whip it out because I'm sure everyone will massively appreciate it. So,
Oh, he fucking has!
Yes!
that's been in the bottom of my pannier the whole time. And I've been desperate to tell you, but I've kept it a secret.
Yes!
So,
You fucking
You
beauty.
guys fucking nailed it.
Yep.
oh shit, I forgot to fill it up.
Hey! Psych!
There you go. Bit of whiskey, obviously, in a hip flask.
Cheers, Ollie.
Oh, yeah.
Here's to a fucking good day.
Hey, good stuff, what is it?
It's Glenlivet Founders Reserve.
Very
Yeah,
nice.
see.
I'm not a big whiskey man, but that
That's a nice whiskey, by the way.
that has. Oh,
Yeah. Oh, he's going for it. On the left.
Lad. We'll do a swap again. I'll have a last little sip. Here we go, this is to a massively emotional day, but a very good trip so far. Apart from your wet bike. Cheers.
Thanks, Ollie.
cheers, you fuck.
Thanks, Ollie.
7 o'clock in the morning. Most people are still in bed. I think Seeks is just getting up. There's our camp. That's where we came from. We're heading that way. It's pretty windy, so hopefully you can hear this alright, but it's just stunning. Pretty cold. Waiting for the sun to come up, but stunning. Seeks,
Oh, hi.
what time is it?
It's poo time!
It's poo time! A pool with a view. I think every day we've had a poo, we've had a good view, haven't we?
We have, mate.
Oh look, he's got tallywackle.
Tallywackle's out.
Show me your little tallywackle.
You want to see starfish? I show starfish.
I think that'll be my spot today. Pooing in close proximity. There's camp. I just weed on my GoPro. Good job it's waterproof. This is what we like to see in the morning, Alan. Have a good clean. Gooch clean. Is that a good shot of the old bot?
Yeah, we can get the old bot in there.
So today is a good day. I'm just trying to hide
Tallywackle. It is.
Yes! Yes! This is going to be so good. I'm so excited.
Look at them. Oh. Right fart smellers they are, aren't they?
Oh, look at this in the morning. Yes. When I said to my wife that we were camping wild, she told me to get some dry shampoo that I'd never heard of before. I've just put some on. My hair smells glorious. Andrew, you're up.
Yep. Go for it. I've got some locks.
Oh, they've gone grey as well.
Rub it in.
Come on, a bit more.
All right, greedy.
On the back.
It's only small. Feels nice, doesn't it?
It does. Oh.
There you go.
All my hair.
There you go, bikers.
Yeah.
When you go out into the wild, take yourself some dry shampoo.
Can I have some of this hair?
Strong recommendation.
Oh, you had to ruin it, didn't you? You had to get.
Turn the camera around.
You had to get out tallywackle.
Tallywackle.
And down at that.
Roll her out.
I want to find somewhere that's not got shitloads of dust. So what we're doing is we're repairing Whitey's tyre. We've tried plugging it. Plugging's not working. So we're going to go and patch the inside of his tyre. The thinking is that the patch and the plug might just hold. Hi!
You having fun?
Not really.
Yeah, he is. He fucking loves this shit.
Nah. Put it on them. Oh, great. Watch your hand.
So if this doesn't work, option 2 or 3 or 4, whatever option we're on now, is that one of us will have to take Whitey's tyre, strap it to a bike and then ride down to a village to try and find a way of getting it fixed. But if I just turn the camera around, the closest village is that one that you can see in the distance. So it's not going to be a quick episode, this.
So find the plug.
Be able to see it on the outside here.
It's there, is it? Yeah. How do I feel?
It's not going in far enough, has it?
No.
That'd be the problem.
Can't get in past the tread. So we'll patch that area there and then stick it back on, inflate it, go from that.
It's a truck tyre patch kit. It comes with a cement, little things to rough it up with. And then a whole heap of patches, everything from giant size to small little ones, but they're heavy duty, which means they should hold better.
As recommended by who?
Yeah,
Chris Scott.
Chris Scott. Yeah. Is it coming out of the actual repair, or is it coming out of the
It's coming out of the repair, mate.
But we'll try down two
plug
or
kits.
3, no, 2 plug kits,
And a
3
patch.
plugs and a patch. None of them have worked. Why did you get a puncture, mate?
Riding too slow. Thank you, Moscow, for these lovely straps.
Yeah, Moscow Moto, nailed it.
Twice they've come in
You
useful.
good now, mate? You good? Maybe the GS is not such a round the world bike these days. So I just need to get the inner tube into the wheel.
I think we had a little bit left, but not too much.
So we put an inner tube in, we couldn't then get the bead to reseat, so we just tried riding up the road. So one side's gone, the other side's not gone, so we're just going to try and put a little bit more air in just
This
to...
side hasn't gone either, mate.
Has it not? So there we go, neither side's gone. We'll see what happens.
Hola!
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you found it?
Yes.
Oh, I was going to give you one. Do you want a spare one?
Thank you.
A spare one. There you go.
You have the Pegatin?
This sticker. Yeah, come over. Yeah, we've got some.
Oh.
So we've stopped at the top of that amazing road you just saw to get some food, but you'll notice my handlebar bag's now at the back because we've got a little issue. I wrote to Triumph and said I was having problems with their keys, so they sent me a quick release key. Think, look at that. So now I just take that key wherever I want. Nice and easy. This trip, everything's going wrong with this trip, isn't it?
Whitey, what's happened to your bike so far on this trip?
My bike's golden. I have no idea what you're on about.
Ah, the Earth.
Mais oui, les Earth.
Bread to dip.
Merci. Merci, monsieur. Right, cheers. I was probably going to swear shortly, so we probably can't use any of that video footage, can we?
This is just transition shots.
Oh, is it? Oh,
Yeah.
right.
You can do it. You can say whatever you want.
I have seen a lot more of the girls doing the old tongue thing when we were coming through today.
Have you?
Yeah.
How's the tongue thing going?
God, flies. Go away. Why, you're not a bad place to stop for lunch?
9 years ago.
9 years you've been planning this.
9 years. Bought my first road bike. Advertising campaign was this. And I'm finally here.
Would have been 8 years, but his bikes keep falling apart.